Hey, welcome to this video. Today I thought I would do just a quick how to get started with the Fujifilm X-T4. For some of you that watch the channel, it might not be interesting, but I know that there's a few people following that are new to Fuji or are thinking about getting a Fuji. So I just want to show you from the beginning how the camera gets set up and how to get it going basically. So this is straight out of the box. If you haven't watched the unboxing, I'll link it up above and in the description that I did just recently, very recently. And yeah, so the camera came like that. I've attached the tripod plate. I use Peak Design plates, and I like to have my ties down here instead of up the top. And I will take these off. I'll do a video on these because there is some questions as to whether you can or can't take them off. I've managed to get them off on my other one and there was no problems, and I can get them back on. So I think they do come off, but I don't know about warranty, etc. Anyway, separate topic. So the camera comes with a battery, but the battery is flat. So I think that's how it gets shipped. Mine was totally flat when I tried to turn it on. I actually didn't turn it on in here because this has never been on, but I just tried it in the other camera and it was flat. So I've put it in and charged it in the other camera, the same camera as this one. And so now it has full power. So by the way, the charging is just done via, I'll just show you. So I'm putting the battery in and opening the door here, which there is some connectors here, and the charging cord goes in one of them. Let me just see, this is a bit weird doing it backwards. So it goes in like that, and the other end plugs into here, and obviously you'll have different country plugs, you know what I mean. Basically this detaches here, and you can plug them in. You'll get the right one for your country wherever you order it from, and then it charges. It charged for a couple of hours from memory. I just left it there. I'll put up on the screen how long it should charge for, but yeah, it's a couple of hours. So now that it's charged, I will attach a lens. So your kit might have come with a lens, or you might have bought a separate lens. I will use the kit one, which is the 18 to 55 f2.824. So all you need to do is just undo the back if you're brand new to this kind of stuff, and you also need to, this is a bit tricky, and you need to take the cap off, which just turns anti-clockwise. That will reveal the sensor. You should always keep it down so there is no dust. I'm not very well prepared for this. And then there's a little orange spot there and one on that side as well. And if you line them up and turn clockwise, you'll hear that little click and it locks in and the lens is all set up. And now I will turn the camera on for the very first time. So here we go, that's the switch, we're just turning that. And let's see. All right, so we'll pick English. I will skip this step for pairing it from my phone for the moment. So just this button here, which is your back button. And I will say yes to showing it next time. And we'll go through the date and the month and the year. So 21. And what have we got? Month is the 7th, 3rd. And I'll just leave it at 12. So I don't know exactly what the time is, but you understand. Okay, and now it's telling us there is no memory card inserted, so I'll have to put in a memory card. All right, so the card goes in here, but it has a serial number, so it's a bit tricky, so I've got to make sure I can shield that. So basically it goes in, so that's the way it goes, it just goes in that way. So I'll push that in, it clicks in, and then you just shut the door. After putting the card in, need to turn the camera on and format the card. So to do that, press and hold the trash button for a couple of seconds, and then press that back button in, and it will give you slot 1 or 2. I've put into 1, so OK for that. And then we'll need to move up with this arrow to the OK and press OK again, and it will erase the card and format it with the Fuji file system, if you like. So then it's ready to go. And as far as settings here, to get started, you can just put everything on A. So auto for the lens, auto for this. If these don't move, you need to just press this button in, and then that allows it to move. That locks the button. So A and A for that one as well. They just line up with the lines down here. And 0 for this one, and that should be ready to take a picture. So I'll go right up to here and press that button, and you can hear that clicking away. So I don't have much distance here to show, but to play that back, we just push that playback button, and you can scroll through your pictures with the arrows, and you can trash them by going to the bin up here and then pressing OK. So that's that. As far as the menu and all the little settings, I'll do that in a separate video so that it's all covered in one section. So I hope this video helped you a little bit. It's quite brief, but just wanted to run through a few things in case you're new to Fuji. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you've got any more questions. I can do more in-depth videos. I'm learning as well as we go, so I don't know all the answers, but it does actually help me quite a lot to learn. When you ask me questions, I have to look up things, and it stays in your memory a little bit better when you've sort of researched it and yeah, found out how to do something. So yeah, I'll chat to you in the next video, and thanks for watching this one. See you later. Bye.